Excellency, tunakupenda.
The suppliers with the packaging. Okay. For the elastic, this is the boxer elastic. Yes. We are getting this from...
Yes. In my Mahio design, we employ over 400 people.
Our projections for the growth of the textile and apparel sector, based on the current potential and investment growth, is that a compound annual growth of 20% is feasible, which would produce over $1 billion in exports and create 200,000 more jobs by 2027. Further increase exports to $2 billion with 650,000 jobs by 2031 and more than 850,000 jobs by 2034.
We are committed to creating a good climate and a business environment that will attract more investments.